Hello Python programmers, this is Eki. In this video we are going to create a simple music player using Python Tincter and Pygame libraries. Pygame is considered as a gaming and multimedia related library. We can use this library to finish the multimedia related works in Python. And I am using Tincter themes library to create a graphical look to our music player. So these are the explanations about the libraries that I am using. And let's start this video. First we are going to install the Pygame and Tincter themes library. Tincter themes is shortly called as TDK themes. Now open your terminal and install the Pygame library first and install the TDK themes library next. And one of my subscribers asked me to explain the installation process of Jupyter Notebook. It is very simple to install the Jupyter Notebook. Open your terminal and simply write pip3 install Jupyter Notebook. This command is used to install the Jupyter Notebook application on your machine. Here I already installed all the libraries, so it shows the message the requirement is already satisfied. This statement explains you already installed all the libraries. After installing the libraries, we are going to import the modules in our code. First we are going to import the Tincter and the Tincter themes. In the second part, you need to import themed Tincter from the Tincter themes library and import Pygame library modules. In the Pygame library, we are going to import the mixer package. These are the requirements to make this script. First, we need to initialize the mixer packages that we imported from the Pygame library. And next, we are going to load our music file. For that, create an object called as mixer music load, and in this object, you need to mention your path of your music file that you want to play. And declare a function called as play song. Under this function we are going to write the logic to play our music file. So write mixer music play. This entire function is used to play the song. We need to follow the similar steps to create a functions like pause, resume and stop the songs. Okay. Declare a function called as stop song, and in this function you need to insert the logic to stop the song. And declare another two functions. These two functions are used to pause and resume the song. So this is a simple logic. Next we are going to combine logic part into graphical part. Create a variable called as window, and in this variable you need to apply a theme called as Equilix. This theme is a wonderful theme. It is provided by the TDK themes library. If you want to apply more different kind of themes, kindly check the Tincter themes documentation. I will provide the documentation link in the description. They listed more themes. You can easily apply any kind of themes that you want. Okay. Next we need to set the geometry ratio as 300 into 300 and set the background color as light green and give the title as music player. And next step is to create a button. So create a variable called as play button, and in this variable you need to apply the Tincter themes to your buttons. So write button. In the button object you need to pass the window variable, text of your button and command. In the command you need to pass the play song function that we created. And finally align the button to your favorite position. You need to follow the same steps for creating rest of three functions. And the final step is to call the window.main loop. This is used to display the entire screen of your music player. So that's all about the code. Let's run the program. This is our output. We can easily play, pause, resume the song at any time. If you want to add bulk number of music files, you need to use the OS library to get the path of your entire music folder. And you easily integrate with this code to play the bulk number of songs in our music player. If you want this customization tutorials, please comment down. I will surely make it as a video. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.